Welcome back folks, Namaste. This is going to be a super quick video following on from my previous video, this time showing how to fit the performance air filter available from techbikeparts.com and also the filter plate to remove the restrictive plastic airbox cover. Let's get straight onto it. So first of all, you need to take your key. If you've not already done so, remove your side panel. You want to move it out and then down. Careful not snapping any pins or putting any pressure on those. Remove that. Your toolkit's here, which contains all the tools you need. I've got some separately. Pull this, remove your seat. Once your seat is removed, you need to access a 4mm Allen bolt here, which I'll show you now. This Allen key bolt, real easy. It's a 4mm hex to get that off. As I said, you've got one of those in your toolkit if you've not got them separately. Move that and pop it somewhere safe, or just rest it on the side like me. You can then access this cover and you want to pull it away from the bike carefully. Really need to use two hands just to be sure, and then don't pull the bottom away. You want to then lift it up because it's in a rubber grommet, which you will see there. Simply remove your air filter like so. You can see this hasn't got many miles on it anyway, it's pretty clean, might as well keep that as a backup. Take your new air filter. If you've got a few miles on your bike, you might just want to check that there's no debris in there. There shouldn't be because you've had it filtered, but just to be sure. If there's any dirt in there, back it out, blow it out, whatever. That just fits straight in there like that, nice and snug. Don't over tighten these, just using this for speed. Get them something like. Then finish off by hand, or do it all by hand. That's it, job done. Fitting everything back, obviously the reversal of removal. So this in there, like so. That tab into there, that up there. Pop that back where it came from. Don't over tighten. Now, I'm sure you've all done this. Obviously, this is a reversal of removal. You can put your seat on first or your side cover on first. Again, some silicone grease on here and here, if you haven't already done so, just to help it slip on nice and easily. Push that back and seat back on. Start the bike. Once again folks, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video and click the logo above to subscribe. I'll report back with a further video once I've had a chance to test the filter and let you know how I feel it affects performance. Ride safe.